Hello everyone, I am Geetan Kalabarachi and we are thrilled to announce you that we are going to start 2027 Advanced Level English Medium Physics classes on this April for your batch. As you all know, we have secured more than 65% of A and B pass rate for the previous batches and throughout the years, and also we are more than happy to do the same and even more with your batch as well. We are starting the classes this time at multiple locations, which are Nugegoda, Susipwan, Gampaha, Epsilon, Wattala, and for the students who are from all around the country who are willing to join online through AceAcademy.lk web platform. And also for all the physical and online students, we are going to provide unlimited access to our recordings of all the classes, and also you can get on-hand experience of the practicals. If you have any inquiries, you can call us, our coordinators, through the given numbers here, and we wish you all the best with your newly started A-level journey, and hopefully see you in the class. Thank you.